Welcome to Wakey Boats. I'm your pilot, Mike D. I acquired a small, seasonably leased property in the first state of Delaware, along a river with light to moderate boat traffic in the summertime, usually on the weekends. Everybody likes to rip down the river and have a grand time. But every good captain knows there's a time to throttle back, because right down the way you'll be able to resume a safe speed, get back on plane, and go quicker toward your destination. My little slice of paradise is right along one of these areas. It's a no-wake zone right next to a marina that was just recently redone. My question to you is this a wake, or is this not a wake? Is this a wake, or is this not a wake?
This video has no sponsor, no product push, and no Patreon promotion. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you may resume a safe speed. Thanks for watching.